Hello everybody, this is Sonia Solorzano, one of the LSTs. Today's video is to show you how to access the Lpac training. As of this year, the bilingual department has made it a requirement that all Lpac members must have a yearly training. This will take you about an hour. There's 6 videos that I think the longest one is about 10 minutes and 30 seconds or so. But like I said, I will send you a link so you can access this video. This training. But this is the website. And you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see 3 tabs: training prerequisites, training modules, and then parent training resources. In the website, it does ask that you, or it is recommended that you read the training prerequisites before. So you click on here and there's a little red drop down menus that you can read through. And then you click on the training modules. And as I mentioned before, there's 6 short videos. It is recommended that you do them in the order that they are here for you, but it is a flexible training that you can change the order of your training. I did do the first module already, and as you can see, it's 5 minutes and 50 seconds long. And once I started my first video, it's going to ask you for your name, obviously, your position, the school district that you work for, and that's going to be information at the end of each video that is going to be automatically put on for your certificate. So at the end of this whole training, you will have 6 certificates. Please print them out, staple them, and put them in my box in the office. Like that, I can keep a record of who has done the training, and I will give a copy to Ms. Soto so she can access it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Yadira Castellano or myself, Sonia Solorzano, to help you out with this training. Thank you.